Welcome to Leisha Today. I wanted to do a quick video on my first time making a sublimation tumbler using a family photo. I wanted to make a vacation memories tumbler. So if you guys are interested, check it out. So I already did the template for the tumbler. If you wanted to see how I make it using Microsoft Word, you can check out my previous video. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to tape this onto the tumbler and then put it into the convection oven, which I set for 340 degrees, and I use convection bake. And then I push start so it can preheat. So now it's kind of counting down, but I'm gonna put it on 340 for 3 minutes. So I'm wrapping it really tight. Tops in the bottom, the middle. Okay. And then I'm gonna fold down the tops. The taps, yeah. You want to do the taps?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can help mommy? Yes. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the tumbler into try to put it in their center.
Center?
Yes, center.
No, I don't know center.
Yeah. And then I'm going to place it in here. Look, it's already on 3 minutes. I'm just going to leave it. So it's 340 for 3 minutes. Alright, so it's almost ready to come out. And then we're going to see how it turns out. This is my first time doing it, so I hope it turns out super cute. Alright. So I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to immediately take off everything. Shrink up. See if I can get this to come off. Yep. Alright. Alright, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, I got one more at the bottom. Alright. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. It turned out great. What do you guys think? All right, this is my first time and I think it turned out perfect. No ghosting. Everything looks good. All right. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe.